Hi there, this is Brian from Deep River Water Park with a how-to tech tip. Today we're going to look at how you change the hard drive in your desktop PC. Reasons you might want to change your hard drive could include hard drive failure, data corruption that is unretrievable, or anything of that nature. Your IT people may want you to believe that it's impossible to do and only a certified technician can handle this. This isn't necessarily the case. What you're going to want to do is first make sure all power and cables are disconnected from your tower. Once you've done that and everything is safe, you can go ahead and remove the case, undo the screw in the back, slide it over, lift up, set it to the side. Next thing you're going to want to do is look into your case and identify the location of your hard drive. Alright, now that we've identified our hard drive location inside of our computer tower, we're going to want to remove the power cable from the drive. Gently pull up on the cable, set it to the side. The next cable you're going to want to disconnect is the serial ATA cable from your hard drive. This is the cable that the information travels across. Set that to the side. Once you've got the cables disconnected, most modern PCs have a quick install system for your drives. You're going to want to find the release lever, pull back on it, and gently pull the drive out. Now you'll notice this drive has specialty screws that allow it to slide in and out of the PC case. So what you're going to want to do is take these screws out and put them into your new drive. So we're going to do that real quick. You're going to install these screws into the new drive. Make sure they're snug but not too tight. And then we'll continue from there. Alright, once we've got all the mounting hardware attached to the new hard drive, we're going to want to place it in the chassis. Take the hard drive and gently slide it down in the slot. Push until you hear a click. That tells you the mounting system is locked in. You are going to want to next attach your serial ATA cable back to it. Serial ATA cable is going to be your narrow connector on your drive. Press it down and it'll just click in. Then you're going to want to reattach your power to your drive. You're going to take the connector, make sure you have it facing the right way, gently press down, and your drive is now installed. Once you've installed your drive, you're going to want to close up your case, slide it back in, close it up, and now your computer has a new hard drive.